At 18, James lost both parents in one night, but his mother's final words saved his life. Jason, 54, was a respected high school teacher in Texas. His students admired his patience, and his colleagues respected his dedication. His wife, Laura, 49, worked as a store manager at Walmart. She was known for her kindness and the way she treated both customers and employees like family. Together, they had one son, James, who had just turned 18 and was finishing high school. Their life wasn't luxurious, but it was filled with love. Every evening they had dinner together, laughed about their day, and encouraged one another. Jason and Laura often told their friends how proud they were of James. Despite his young age, he was responsible, respectful, and mature beyond his years. They believed he had a bright future ahead. Then, one ordinary evening, everything changed. After finishing some shopping, Jason and Laura were driving home from Walmart. They talked about dinner, James' future, and the vacation they hoped to take after his graduation. Just a few miles from home, another vehicle lost control and crashed into them. The impact was devastating. Jason and Laura died at the scene. When James received the phone call, he refused to believe it. He kept hoping someone had made a mistake. But when he arrived at the hospital, the heartbreaking truth stood before him. In a single moment, the two people he loved most in the world were gone forever. The days that followed felt like a nightmare. James stopped eating properly. He barely slept. His grades dropped because he couldn't focus in class. Every room in the house reminded him of his parents. Their empty chairs at the dinner table were a painful reminder that life would never be the same. Every night he cried himself to sleep, wondering how he could possibly continue without them. Then, one lonely night, while sitting in his mother's favorite chair, he remembered something Laura had told him years earlier. She had smiled, placed her hand on his shoulder, and said, "No matter what life brings, be bold. Be mature enough to face every challenge. Never let pain decide your future." Those words echoed through his heart. The next morning, James made a decision. He returned to school with a new purpose. After classes, he accepted a part-time job as a store in charge at a small local company. Every morning before school, while most teenagers were still asleep, James delivered newspapers from house to house. The work was exhausting, but every paycheck reminded him that he was becoming the strong young man his parents had believed he could be. Slowly, life became more stable. He earned enough to support himself and continued working hard toward his education. Yet every evening, when the world grew quiet, loneliness returned. He still missed hearing his father's advice after dinner. He still wished he could hug his mother one more time. Some nights, the silence felt almost unbearable. But instead of letting grief defeat him, James carried his parents' love in his heart. Their voices no longer filled the house, but their values guided every decision he made. Although they were gone, the lessons they had given him became the strength that helped him keep moving forward. One day at a time. Sometimes the people we lose never truly leave us. They continue living through the courage they inspire within us. If this story touched your heart, follow for more emotional stories of love, loss, and resilience. Share this with someone who needs a reminder that even in the darkest moments, hope can still find a way.